Wind advisory in effect from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. What? South winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 45 to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio. When? From 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details. There is a potential for locally higher wind gusts associated with convection expected to move through the area late afternoon into the evening on Saturday. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.